Want to make turmeric a regular part of your routine but not sure how? Don't worry, I've got some delicious and easy ideas to help you get your daily dose of this golden spice. Whether you're a fan of cozy drinks, savory dishes, or even bold pickles, there's a turmeric recipe for everyone. Let's get creative and make turmeric work for you. One of my all-time favorite ways to enjoy turmeric is by making golden milk. If you haven't tried it yet, you're missing out. Golden milk is a warm, soothing drink that's perfect for winding down before bed or just getting cozy anytime. To make it, all you need is a cup of milk, any kind you like, dairy or plant-based, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and a teaspoon of coconut oil or ghee. Then, just simmer everything together for 5 to 6 minutes, and you've got yourself a golden elixir. The warm milk and coconut oil help the curcumin dissolve, and that black pepper? Well, it's turbocharging your absorption. You can even add a little honey or cinnamon to taste. Trust me, once you start drinking golden milk, you'll be hooked. Another way to use turmeric is by adding it to your favorite dishes. Sauté it in olive oil or ghee before tossing in your veggies or chicken for a flavorful stir-fry. You can also add turmeric to soups, stews, and curries. The possibilities are endless. It's such a great way to sneak in some extra health benefits without even thinking about it. If you're a fan of bold flavors, how about making some turmeric pickle? It's a traditional Indian condiment that packs a punch with its tangy, spicy goodness. Whether you're using turmeric root or turmeric powder, it's a fun way to get a daily dose of curcumin. Just a little scoop with your meals can go a long way. You can find it in stores or even make your own at home. It's a fun project that gives you a tasty result. So there you have it, the secrets to unlocking the full potential of turmeric. Remember the key ingredients: healthy fats, black pepper, and consistent incorporation into your diet. It's not complicated or expensive. Just a few simple additions to your daily routine can make a world of difference. By following these simple tips, you can truly maximize the benefits of this golden spice and experience its remarkable effects on your health and well-being. Start small, be consistent, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you. So, we've explored how turmeric can boost your overall well-being. But a healthy body goes beyond just internal wellness, doesn't it? A bright, healthy smile is a crucial part of that too. That's why in our next video, we'll be diving into the delicious world of foods that promote healthy teeth. Just like turmeric nourishes us from the inside, these foods work to keep our smiles shining bright. Get ready for more tasty tips and tricks to help you stay healthy and happy. See you there! But hey, if you actually found this video mildly entertaining or informative, consider hitting that like button. It's like giving us a virtual high five. And while you're at it, why not subscribe? We promise more mind-blowing or at least mildly interesting health tips coming your way. Think of it as investing in your future self, or, just do it to feel superior to your friends who haven't watched this yet.